Hi there, students. To bewitch, to bewitch, a verb. Then you have the adjectives bewitched and bewitching, and bewitchingly as an adverb. Okay, if you are bewitched by something, if something bewitches you, you are completely fascinated by it. You're completely charmed by it. I was bewitched by her beauty. Her beauty bewitched me. Yeah. She was bewitchingly beautiful. Okay, so I was bewitched by her bewitchingly beautiful face. Okay, enchanted, charmed, attractive, very, very attracted. So attracted that it was like I was in a trance. Very often we use this verb to bewitch in the passive. I was bewitched, but she bewitched me. Something bewitches you, but I was bewitched is very common. Okay, so I'm sure many of you have seen the series Bewitched with Samantha, and Samantha is a witch married to a normal human being. So you can use this word to bewitch, meaning to put a magic spell on somebody in order to control them, yeah, or to control something. Okay, so yeah. The magician bewitched him with a special magic spell. Okay, so bewitched, extremely attracted to something, completely controlled by it. So I took the kids to the zoo and they were bewitched by the monkeys and their humanity, how human they were. And then something that's bewitching is something that is incredibly attractive. You can't stop looking at it. The scenery was bewitchingly beautiful. Yeah, the scenery was bewitching. It was bewitchingly beautiful. I was entranced by it. I was extremely attracted by it. The words of the poem were bewitching. Yeah, I was bewitched by the book, and I had to read it right through to the end. So to enchant someone, to delight someone. Yeah, I was bewitched by the beauty of the place. Yeah, it was like a magic spell had been cast on me. I was captivated. I was enchanted by it. I was charmed. I was completely beguiled by it. Just fascinated by it. Completely possessed and captivated. I was enthralled by it. I was under a spell. It was ravishingly beautiful. Okay, so if something bewitches you, you're just enchanted, you're mesmerized by it. It's like you're hypnotized and under a magic spell. I think many love stories are about someone who is bewitchingly beautiful and how people fall in love with them. Okay, so to bewitch. As to formality, I was bewitched by this. This was bewitching. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. It sounds maybe slightly old-fashioned and slightly formal, but I think you could use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, well, this be has got the idea of to become, yeah, and then a witch. Yeah, in Old English, Wicca, a sorceress, yeah, or yeah. So Wicca is a sorceress, and Wicca is a male sorcerer. From Wiccan to practice sorcery, from Proto-Germanic Wiccona. To foretell, to tell the future, from Proto-Indo-European Wicknet, to consecrate, to separate. Okay, so bewitched. I hope you are bewitched by this bewitchingly interesting video. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To bewitch, bewitched, bewitching, bewitchingly.